we looked at line plots, and in this example I want us to look at bar plots. Although we are touching on this, we're gonna exhaust this extensively in when we start working with data on the data analysis section of this tutorial. So this is just a tip of the iceberg. So the first thing we're gonna do is, of course, we have already imported matplotlib, so we don't need to import it twice again. Once you import it once and you have run it, you don't need to re-import it again. So that is, it saves you lines of code. And I want us to create another set of hypothetical data. And bar plots are very good when it comes to categorical kind of data that allows you to differentiate or yes. So to do this, let's take an example of the English Premier League top scorers, and we are going to plot the number of the goals they scored in the last season, that is 2022-2023 season, and then compare them. So it's very good for comparison. That is the power of bar plots. So let's create that list. We'll start with players. So I'm gonna create a list of players, and for football fans, you know that the top scorer was Erling Haaland. And then, sorry, I'm having double A for Haaland. Super good footballer. We have got Harry Kane, always on the top scoring sheet. And when we got Ivan Toney, really good player. I feel bad for him. And Mohamed Salah. By the way, I'm a Liverpool fan, so it's always nice seeing Salah on the top scoring. And then we have got a very young and inspiring striker, Callum Wilson of Newcastle. I wonder how many goals he's gonna score next season. And now we say create another list of their corresponding goals. Haaland is 36, so you can see our previous list was made of string. This one is made up of integers because we can't have floats. We can't have 1.5 goal. You say the goal or not a goal. Kane had 30. Ivan Toney 20. I think he might have more than this if he wasn't suspended. Really feel bad for him. Salah 19. He didn't have a good season this, but I'm sure next season probably we're gonna lift the trophy again. Liverpool, yes. And we have got Callum Wilson 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just confirming to make sure that I don't run into errors. If they don't match each other, you're gonna have troubles like the error I had previously. And then to plot this, it's very simple. I'll just do PLT, but you don't say plot, you do PLT bar to specify that you are plotting bar, and X followed by Y. But X is the independent variable, which is players. So players, and then Y is the dependent variable, which is goals. And then once you do that, you can literally plot this, but let's make it nice so that you present to your boss. They'll be happy. If you present this, you're gonna be fired the next day. So don't try this. Make sure that it's well labeled. Your boss can see and understand it. Don't present a raw code to your boss. I always do that, and I always have trouble with my boss. So hope he doesn't watch this video. X label. This is just to label the x-axis. So of course you can say players name, and we can just literally copy this, but change this to Y instead of X. So these are functions within matplotlib. You can say number of goals, and then we have another matplotlib function called title. The English Premier League top scorers. And of course we can always do plt dot show. In the data analysis section, I'll show you how to automatically download this or save it, write a code to save it on your directory. So once I run this, there we go. We have got the y-axis, x-axis, and of course the title. So that marks the end of this video. If you like it, feel free to subscribe so that you get notified when new videos come up. Like, share, and give it a thumbs